Welcome to the Automation Anywhere Community Edition. To get started, click the download link in the email message you received upon submitting your request for the Community Edition. After the download completes, double-click the zip file and extract its contents. Navigate to the location of the extracted client setup file and double-click to run the setup. Allow the setup program to download any prerequisites if needed and proceed with the installation. Accept the license agreement and proceed. Accept the default plugin settings and click Install. Upon completion, the Automation Anywhere client icon will appear on your desktop. Double-click the client to launch. Click the radio button to use user credentials and copy the credentials and the control room URL you received from the email message. Click Login. Congratulations! You are ready to automate and create your first bot.